when my thoughts wander deep in my heart. The girl who haunts my inmost soul, tender words of love I wish to share. But if she does not reply with words of love, still I fear she'll cast me aside, to make this lonesome heart so glad if she would share sweet words of love. Your beauty dwells within my heart. For this long, simple heart of mine, your parents raised and cared for you. But if she does not reply with words of love, still I fear she'll cast me aside, to make this lonesome heart so glad if she would share sweet words of love. And holding to your charms in vain, I dwell within the afterlife. It may be kinder in that last home, but if she does not reply with words of love, still I fear she'll cast me aside.